4 points. Well done. One more to go and you'll be able to play the game. Here we go.
Now you'll practice the same linking exercises using the N consonant, but this time you'll have just the audio recordings. Listen to the recording. In an elevator. In an elevator. It's in an elevator. It's in an elevator.
I need to hear it from you.
It's an elevator.
Well done.
In a.
Can you say it? Inna?
Inna.
I'll be there in a minute. I'll be there in a minute.
Your turn.
I'll be there in a minute.
One of. One of.
Let me hear you. One of.
One of.
On an angle. On an angle.
Let me hear you.
On an angle.
One of us is on an angle. One of us is on an angle.
One of us is an angle.
One of us is on an angle.
Say it again, please.
One of us is an angle.
Is on an angle.
On an
Is on
angle.
an Is on an angle.
Is on an angle.
Well done. Yes, that's correct. Okay, next one.
Even a.
Even a.
Even a.
Let me hear you.
Even a.
Can understand.
Can understand.
None. That.
Can understand. Even a child can understand it.
Even
a child can understand it. An apron.
An apron.